In the year 1942, a monumental movement took a shape on a canvas of Indian history, led by Mahatma Gandhi. The Quit Indian movement, colonial rule. It was a call for freedom, a call that united the nation. As we remember the Quit Indian movement and its significance in shaping our nation's destiny, we reflect on the spirit of unity, sacrifice, and determination that defined that era. Fast forward to the present day, we find the inspiration in our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, who carries forward the spirit of determination and progress.
आज हमें पूज्य बापू के आशीर्वाद से उसी इच्छा शक्ति को समय की मांग है, हमें आगे बढ़ाना ही है। आज हमारे सामने विकसित भारत निर्माण का स्वप्न है, संकल्प है। इस संकल्प के सामने कुछ बुराइयां रोड़ा बनी हुई है। इसलिए आज भारत एक शोर में इन बुराइयों को कह रहा है, क्विट इंडिया।
Constantly pushing ourselves to grow. Exactly, and that means by quitting habits that hold us back.
As students of SGC, we pledge to quit complacent. We pledge to quit being inflexible.
As students of SGC, we pledge to quit avoiding responsibility, and we pledge to quit neglecting self-care.
These pledges are not just a word, they are actions we will take every day.
Our journey as a healthcare leader started with self-awareness and commitment to change.
Let's remember the Quit Indian movement call for change and let it resonate in our choices and actions.
Together we can create a healthy, brighter future for ourselves and those ones we serve.